Chapter 12, Heron's formula. It is also called Hero's formula in some books. Okay. So Heron's formula is actually a formula to find the area of triangle when length of sides are given. Okay. Heron's formula is a formula to find the area of triangle when length of all three sides are given. Okay. We have one formula. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay.
Yes.
Here there is a condition that triangle should be a right triangle. ये फॉर्मूला कब ट्रू होता है? जब ट्रायंगल राइट ट्रायंगल है. राइट ट्रायंगल मीन्स एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, देन ओनली दिस फॉर्मूला कैन बी यूज्ड. ओके. सो when we have triangle with none of the angle 90 degree, then also we can find area of triangle, and that can be found by Heron's formula. Let length of side be A, AB भी A, BC भी B and CA भी C. मतलब AB की लेंथ A सेंटीमीटर, B सेंटीमीटर, AC की लेंथ है सेंटीमीटर. ओके. देन area of triangle given by the root of into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter. S is semi-perimeter, which is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay. Just copy this. I am explaining again. Okay. Suppose we are given a triangle. We know all the three sides of the triangle. Suppose AB is 8 centimeter, AC is 10 centimeter and BC is 9 centimeter. Okay. We have to find area of triangle ABC. Okay. For using half base into height, I should know the altitude. ठीक है. अगर मेरे को हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट यूज करना है तो जब तक मुझे ये हाइट नहीं पता है, ओके, तब तक मैं ये यूज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. अगर मुझे ये हाइट पता है तो एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी विल बी हाफ हाइट h है सपोज एंड बेस इज BC, सो हाफ h इंटू 9 हो जाएगा. जो भी h की वैल्यू है वो हो जाएगी. ठीक है. बट फॉर दैट आई शुड नो दिस हाइट. ओके. नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी by Heron's formula. So first step is finding semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. Perimeter is what? A plus B plus C. Semi-perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2. Semi means half. Okay. So 8 plus 9 plus 10 upon 2. So what it
upon
18 plus 29. So, sorry, 19 plus 8. 27 by 2.
27 upon 13.5.
ठीक है. इसको 27 by 2 ही रहने देंगे. That will be easy for calculation. That's why. Okay. Now area of triangle will be given by under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. ये है फॉर्मूला. ठीक है. Now we have to calculate this. Okay. Area of triangle by Heron's formula is given by under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C.
Ma'am, we have to take LCM.
Yes. 27 minus 8, 27 by 2 minus 8 कैसे करेंगे? I'll tell you and then you can do. So 27 by 2 minus 8 will take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 27 minus 8 into 2, 16. So it is 11 by 2. Similarly, 27 by 2 minus 9. This will be 27 minus 18 by 2. So 27 minus 18 is 9 by 2. Next one, 27 by 2 minus 10, that is equal to 27 minus 20 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. ये clear है तीनों?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be substituting now everything here. यहाँ पे सब चीज substitute करेंगे जो हमने find किया है. So it will be under root of 27 by 2 into 11 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Now if I want to take anything outside this square root sign, okay, if it is pairs, if it is in pairs, then I can take it outside. Okay. 27 का prime factorization होता है 3 into 3 into 3. 11 itself is a prime number. 9 is 3 into 3. 7 is a prime number. Denominator 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, making pairs. जो जो pair है हम उसको बाहर निकाल देंगे. ठीक है, तो 3 के 2 pairs है तो 3 into 3 9 बाहर आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे 2 के 2 pairs है तो 4 बाहर आ जाएगा, और बाकी सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना पड़ेगा. So 3 into 11 into 7, that is 231. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Yashvi, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So is the method clear to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, I am giving one more question. Find the area of triangle ABC whose sides are AB equals to 40 meter, BC equals to 24 meter, and CA equals to 32 meter. Okay. So do this question.
Yes.
You will find S. Have you found semi-perimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it coming?
Ma'am, 96.
96. Are you both getting the same only?
Yes, ma'am. 96 upon 2.
96. Okay. 96 upon 2. Yes. S equals to plus 24. 96 upon 2. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter will be 48. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 48, 48 minus 40, 48 minus 24, 48 minus 32. Okay. So this will be 48 into 8 into 48 minus 24 is 24. 48 minus 32 is 16. Okay. Now, instead of multiplying all these numbers here, what you can do is obtain prime factorization of each of these numbers. जैसे 48 का prime factorization क्या होगा? You can obtain it like 48. So 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So, next step is under root of, first is 48. So, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next is 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Next is 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And next is 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now obtain the pairs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 to the power 7 we can write into 3 is also in pairs.
Ma'am, 2 times.
सिंगल पेयर हाँ तो इंटू 3 ये सब स्क्वायर रूट साइन के बाहर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 2 टू द पावर 7 इसको फाइंड कर लो. इसकी वैल्यू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2
Ma'am, it is 2, ma'am, 128.
128 इंटू 3. ठीक है, so 384. Okay, it is equal to 384 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Should also be written. अगर सब साइड्स की यूनिट मीटर है तो एरिया की यूनिट मीटर स्क्वायर होगी. क्लियर है? डाउट टिल हियर? ओके, page number 201, example 1. Okay, find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. A is 8 centimeter, B is 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. Perimeter is 32 centimeter. Can you tell me how can I find third side?
Ma'am, S is equals to A plus B, A plus B plus C upon 2.
Perimeter क्या होता है? Perimeter is A plus B plus C. Yes, A is 8, B is 11, C we don't know. ठीक है, तो C क्या हो जाएगा? 32 minus 8 minus 11. So we'll get C also, that is 13 centimeter. Okay. After finding ABC, semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. A plus B plus C दिया है, ये जो perimeter दिया है ये A plus B plus C है, इसको 2 से divide कर दो, 32 by 2, that is 16. 16 will be the semi-perimeter. Now you can use the Heron's formula. Okay, so complete this question. Okay, so when you will solve it using Heron's formula, answer is under
8 under root 30.
okay. This will come and Heron's formula. Okay. Okay. So now let us start doing next question. Example 2. A triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter, and 50 meter. Okay. A gardener, Dhania, has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? So basically we have to find the area. Okay, area of triangle we have to find, and sides are given. A is 120 meter, B is 80 meter, and C is 50 meter. So first question is to find the area, that we will find by Heron's formula. Next is find the cost of fencing it with a barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, leaving a space of 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. Okay, let us do this first part, then I'll tell you how to do second part. So first of all find semi-perimeter, then put the formula of Heron's formula, area of triangle, and find the area of triangle. So by Heron's formula, first of all you will find semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter coming? A plus B.
Ma'am,
Right.
A plus.
What it is?
Ma'am, it is coming
125 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we'll find the area of triangle. That
Ma'am,
is
S minus A.
75. Yes, by that formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay. Now perimeter. For finding perimeter, एक्चुअली अब क्या है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है, ये तो हो गया इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इट. फेंसिंग हमेशा बाउंड्री पे होती है, ठीक है. तो फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इट, इसको पूरा फेंस करना है इसकी बाउंड्री को, ठीक है. सिर्फ कितना छोड़ना है, 3 मीटर्स छोड़ना है, ठीक है। तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, इसका पेरीमीटर निकालेंगे। पेरीमीटर आ रहा था 250, वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, ये पेरीमीटर वी हैव फाउंड हियर, ठीक है।
Yes,
इसमें
ma'am.
3 मीटर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे क्योंकि 3 मीटर पे फेंस नहीं लगाना है, ओके। सो इट इज 247 मीटर, ठीक है। इतनी तो लेंथ है जिसको फेंस करना है। नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग इज ₹20 per meter. So we'll multiply, total cost of fencing will be 247 into
47 into 220.
₹4940 meters.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming to example 3. Have you completed this? If you have not copied, if you want to write it. And when we talk of something inside the triangle, that is area. When we talk only of boundary, then it is perimeter.
Perimeter.
Okay, boundary is perimeter and inside our triangle is area.
Area.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, coming to next question, example 3. The side of a triangular plot are in ratio 3:5:7 and perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Okay. So actually sides are given 3:5:7. Okay.
3x, 5x and 7x.
And perimeter is given. Yes. Perimeter is 300 meters. We are not given length. We are given the ratio of all the three sides. So let one side be, or let sides be 3x, 5x and 7x. Okay. Then 3x plus 5x plus 7x, sum of all three sides is equal to 300. So 10x equals to 300, x equals to
300 upon 10.
30. Okay, 300 upon 10. So one side will be equal to 3x, that is equal to 90. Second side will be equal to 5 into x, that is equal to 150. X is 30.
Ma'am, why
3 into x, x क्या है? 3 into 30. तो ये 90. 5 into 30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 5 into it is 150. Okay, is x coming correct or not? 15 है, sorry, ये 15 है. We have done one mistake. Okay, this one is 15. 15x, so x is 20.
20?
So this both, this will be 60 and this will be 100, and third side will be 7x, that is equal to 7 into 20, that is 140. Okay.
Ma'am, we will not write x after this.
नहीं, x की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So perimeter is 60 plus 100 plus 140 by 2.
Ma'am, perimeter is 150, ma'am.
150. Now find the area of triangle by Heron's formula. So complete this. So S was coming 150, A is 60, B is 100, C is 140. Area of triangle is under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that is 150. 150 minus 100, 150 minus 140. So this is 150. 150 minus 60 is 90. 150 minus 100 is 50 and 10. Okay. अब यहाँ पे एक important thing. Whenever we have even number of zeros, कितने zeros हैं यहाँ पे? 1, 2. अगर 2 होते तो हम क्या करते? इनको दोनों को यहाँ से हटा के और we would have taken outside the bracket and written at 10 here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 नहीं 4 है, so we'll write 100 here, and this way we'll write it 15 into 9 into 5, because that is 1, it has no meaning now. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कितने जीरोस हैं स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर, जितने भी इवन नंबर के जीरोस हैं उससे हाफ करके और हम 1 के साथ बाहर लिख देंगे, तो हमारी कैलकुलेशन सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएगी. 100 is outside now. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 9 is 3 into 3 and 5 is 5. Again making pairs 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 15. 15 is again outside. 15 into 100 and what is remaining inside is 3. So it is 1500 root 3 meter square. This is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम PDF सेंड करना जरूरी है, व्हाट्सएप पे फोटो खींच के भेज दे.
ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड कर देना. ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
एरिया ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ एन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल मींस ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. जो हम बोल रहे थे साइड्स ए बी सी हैं, अब वो तीनों साइड्स ए और ए हैं. ओके, देन area of equilateral triangle, there is one small formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square. We can directly use, if it is given that triangle is equilateral triangle, we can directly use this formula root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, where a is the side of the triangle. Okay, what are the properties of equilateral triangle? All sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. In
90
a
degree.
equilateral triangle, all angles are 90 degree and all sides are equal. Okay, so this is all about today's class. Our homework exercise 12.1.